I often read through the stock articles on various platforms like Yahoo Finance, Motley Fool, Seeking Alpha, or Bloomberg, to name a few. Every once in a while, I'm intrigued by an article and the information provided by the author. And today, I came across an interesting article about NRG Energy Inc. And after reading the article, which took less than 5 minutes, I put NRG to my test. Although this video will be about 5 minutes with my test, and as many viewers know, it takes less than 1 minute for me to know whether I want to seriously consider investing in a stock. So let's take a quick look at NRG Energy. Recently, several analysts have given a major upgrade to their near-term forecast for NRG Energy Inc. The analysts are now much more optimistic on NRG's sales pipeline. The upgrade indicate that revenues will be $12 billion in 2021, which would reflect a major 27% improvement in sales compared to the last 12 months. However, the analysts also upgraded their revenue estimates for next year, and sales are expected to grow faster than the wider market. Could this be the right time to take another look at NRG Energy? Perhaps, but there are concerns regarding the earnings. Further, there was no change to the consensus price target of $43.22 per share. However, the most bullish analyst values NRG at $52 per share, while the most bearish prices NRG at $34 per share. Now, does this spread mean that you should take the extra time to put in more research? Well, I'll show you. Just give me 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Here we go. Looking at the price chart. Bottom here, 2016, 2017 was below the bottom there in March of this year. Nice uptrend. From the top here back in 2019, downward trend. Looks like it might be bottoming and basing. Here in volume, with the downward trend in price, a downward trend in volume is good. Into the MACD, fast line is bottoming near the zero line, wants to go through that slow line soon enough. Same thing here in the histogram. Price rate of change, nice bottoming and basing here. Fast line climbing aboard near that zero line. Same thing with the RSI, moving on up. Into the stochastics, pretty much the same as we've just seen. And then the Williams, one more. Very nice bottom, moving on up. So, I beg your forgiveness, 55 seconds. Now, does that mean I want to take a look at NRG Energy in more detail? Perhaps. It has a dividend over 3%, so that's enticing. I think that there's enough information here with the oscillators that all look like they're moving in the right direction that would persuade me to dig deeper into NRG Energy. So, as usual, conduct your fundamental analysis. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.